We have been discussing about ROS2 framework in previous sections. In this, we have already discussed what is DDS and three way of communications possible using DDS, which is actions, services, and publisher subscriber method. ROS nodes also support parameter server parameters. So we will be discussing about ROS2 parameters in this session. To have a better understanding on ROS2 parameter, we can consider a robot. This is generation 1 robot, one rover with a wheel radius 2 cm wheel radius. Now I will be creating another version of the same robot. It will be Gen 2 robot, the same robot but with a different wheel size. Here let's say my Gen 2 robot's wheel radius is 8 cm. In this example, this wheel radius is a parameter which is vary from each robot version. So this is the variable thing, this wheel radius. Rather than changing this variable in all the code base and recompiling the workspace, we can use this as a parameter. We can use this wheel radius as a parameter. When we consider wheel radius as a parameter, this wheel radius value can be changed by user. User can change this wheel radius parameter, set this value to like 8 cm, or any other ROS node. Any other ROS node can also set this wheel parameter. When we define wheel radius as a parameter, these parameters can be varied by a user or by using a ROS node. ROS node can set, let's say ROS node want to change this wheel radius to like 10 cm. So this is all possible. This is the functionality of ROS parameter. Another important feature of ROS2 is ROS-back. Sometimes we need to collect data from our robot. In such times, we can utilize the ROS-back functionality. Let's consider ROS-back. ROS-back is just a bag. Let's consider it as a bag. A ROS-back can subscribe to multiple topics. Let's say we have multiple topics running. So this is a talker topic. This is a camera data topic, and another topic is velocity. This all published by different nodes. This node publishing another one, this node publishing another one. One ROS-back can subscribe to multiple topics. And once we're done with recording the data, we can all this data will be stored inside this particular ROS-back. Once we're done with recording, we can play it back. So we can utilize this ROS-back file to play back these topics. So now we already recorded data from the talker channel or topic. We can play it back. We also recorded from velocity. We can play it back. We can play all this data we have recorded. We can play it back. And this recorded message is getting published on the system with same corresponding topic. This is the main speciality of like ROS-back. Other important term in ROS2 is packages. ROS codes are organized as packages. These packages contain all the codes for a particular robot functionality. Let's say we have a package. This is our package. We can call this package image processing. So this will have all the nodes related to image processing. This can be OpenCV node. This will be detector node, and like this we can have multiple nodes inside this package. It will be like this group of packages will be organized in this manner inside a package. Then these packages can easily copied and distributed to other developers who want to develop on top of these packages. So they don't have to reinvent this wheel. This is already developed by someone, and we can share this package among other developers so that they can develop on top of this.